guys! Today we are doing a huge Daraz haul. I ordered so much stuff from Daraz 7/7 sale and today we're gonna unbox all of that. I have already unboxed it, but I'm gonna just show you guys what I got. I'll be breaking this video down into 3 sections based on the categories of the products that I ordered. I don't want to talk so much, so let's get started. I'm getting started from my favorite, which are these novels. I ordered like 50 novels. There is this one store on Daraz. They have such affordable novels. Let's just hope they are as good as, because you can clearly see I'm taking off the plastic wrap right in front of you guys. I think you can clearly see how many novels here are, so let's get started. First one we have over here is this The Art of Seduction, and I am already reading the laws of human nature from Robert Greene, so I thought why not get my hands on this one as well so I can read it after that. And I got this bundle of 3 books. I actually already have Atomic Habits, so this is going into the giveaway. I really needed the Psychology of Money. It was only available in the bundle form, so I just got this. This was basically the book that I needed. I have heard so much about this book and I really want to read it. This one is Think and Grow Rich. This one is Psychology of Money, and this one is Atomic Habits. I ordered 4 of these self-help books and the rest are fiction, so let me show you guys those as well. Plus the quality is actually really good. Like you can see, the paper quality is very good. The price is the cheapest you can find anywhere. Like this is super cheap. I even got free delivery, so the link will be in the description below, so make sure you check that. I have been seeing this Inheritance Games series everywhere. Like everyone is reading Inheritance Game, everyone is raving about Inheritance Game, so I thought why not get my hands in this. I got these 5 books. I don't know if it's the complete set or if there are more of these books, but this was a set of 5 books. This one is the Inheritance Game. I think this might be the first one. This is the Hawthorne, like this is the Hawthorne Legacy. Then we have Games Untold, Brothers Hawthorne. This is the Final Gambit. I think this might be the last book, and I'm so excited to read this series. Then I got another series, again a series that I've been hearing about it everywhere. This is the Caraval series. These 3 is a series, I guess. It's from the same writer, Stephanie Garber. These 3 are a series. First we have this Once Upon a Broken Heart, Once Upon a Broken Heart, A Curse of True Love, and then the Ballad of Never After. I think these 3 are a series. Caraval series, which is the Caraval, the Finale, and Legendary. That is actually all the novels I ordered. 15 novels, and the price point was amazing. So if you're getting yourself some novels and you don't want to break the bank, go ahead and get them from this store, from Daraz. Now let's come to my favorite part. Can you guys guess what it is? These are all the buldak noodles, ramen, and rice paper and stuff that I ordered. If you guys don't know, that I'm actually doing a series on my other account, Sabeen Shaukat, on Instagram, where I review every flavor of ramen. That is why I ordered so many ramen. See what is inside these. Again, Daraz has the best buldak ramen prices, like any ramen prices, so make sure you check it out. Again, the link will be in the description. This is the Quattro cheese flavor. This is actually very hard to find in Pakistan. I went to Saudi and I tried the flavor over there. It was so delicious, like so delicious. So I obviously had to order this packet, and I accidentally ended up ordering it twice. So well, it's buldak, it can never go wrong. Yup, there are 2 packets of buldak Quattro cheese flavor. I love this flavor, and when I say that I love this flavor, I mean it. It is the best buldak flavor ever. Now let's get to this one, and there are so many different flavors in this. You guys have to see this. Let me show you guys the free gifts that came with it. First we have these 2 very cute chopsticks that came with this packet. I don't know what it is, but it says K-pop chips. It was actually a free gift. Now let's get to what I actually ordered. First I got this kimchi ramen, again to test it out for my series. I hope it is good because I personally love kimchi. I got this set of like 5 ramen for like 24 or 2500, and that is actually a very good price. It is actually sold for like 600 to 700 rupees in normal stores, so this is an amazing price. First one was this 2x spicy buldak. This is the spiciest buldak, and it is definitely not for the weak. And it had this jajang. This is another one of my favorite flavor. I love this flavor so much. So many people don't like this flavor. I don't know why, but this is what I love this flavor. The original cheese flavor, again a very yummy flavor. Anything cheese, I love that. Then we have the original flavor. This was the flavor that I tried 5 years back, and ever since that I've been love with bulldog. So I ordered another flavor which was carbonara. I ate it already. Like could not wait. It was very yum by the. And then I also ordered this bulldog stew type ramen. Yes, I ordered this bulldog stew type as well. I want to try the bulldog kimchi flavor and the other flavors too, but as soon as I get my hands on them, I'll try them too as well. I also ordered this seaweed snacks to just add on top of my noodles. Got these rice papers. Like, have you ever tried the rice paper rice cakes with cheese in it? These are so yummy. Like, rice papers are amazing. You can make rice paper noodles. They are so good. There is also a set of 20 rice papers and you can get that as well. Again, all the links will be in the description, so make sure you check it out. Also got a lot of like scrapbooking stationery items, and now I'm going to show you guys those. This store is actually China or I think Korea based. Their stationery is the best, plus the price point is amazing. Every single seller in Pakistan source their products from this store because they're literally the same, but the price on the online stores are actually more, and this is super cheap. Start from this product. I'm gonna just bring it a little closer so you can see. So first I got this tape. Again, I have not unboxed it, but let me just open it up because again I have not opened this. This is so cute. It's like this is so pretty. Look at this tape. It's so good. Look at all of those patterns. It is so pretty. And I ordered some more washi tapes. It also came with this cute little gift. Let's see what's inside. Hello Kitty, this kitty kind of sticker set. Then this little, I don't know, it's a teddy bear. It's a teddy bear sticky note kind of thing. And then this is thing, I think you can use it in scrapbooking. Then these two scraps as well. I will be using these in scrap, and free gifts just make me so happy. This set of washi tapes, just look at how cute this is. Like, please focus on this. Just look at how pretty this is, guys. There are 1 2 3 4 5, there are total set of 10 tapes. I don't know if you guys can see or not. Like, there are so many cute patterns on this, and I'm gonna use them for like my journaling and stuff. I have another packet. Again, I ordered some scraps. Like, these leaf stickers. I don't know how many are these in this set. Clear leaf kind of stickers, and they are so cute. Next, and this is the first time I saw something like that, and I knew I had to order. These are these like golden, like, can you see that? I don't know how to define it. These are again for scrapbooking. There are I think 10 sheets in this set, many different patterns. And I ordered this too, Past Stories series retro material paper. There are 100 papers in this set. Let me show you guys. These are in like I think 2 different sizes. Patterned papers for scrapbooking. Again, they are so pretty. Like, you can see the designs and stuff. Tiny size, and these are perfect for scrapbooking, and I personally love lavender color a lot, so I think they're gonna be super nice. That was all the stationery items I ordered. I will be ordering more because like it just makes me so happy. This is the last product I ordered, and I cannot believe I got it for this cheap. Like, it was literally, this is actually a mouse that I got. It's a wireless mouse. Got it for like I think 400 rupees, and that was insane because I haven't actually tried it yet, but I will be trying it out today. But I literally got it for like 400 rupees. I was really in a need of a good mouse because my brothers, they used my other mouse to play games on their laptop, and they have literally destroyed it. It comes with this little chip that you can insert in your PC or in your laptop. That was everything I ordered, and for those of you guys who stick till the end, thank you so much for watching the entire video. I will keep on bringing more hauls like this, so please subscribe to my channel. I also have a Temu haul that I will be sharing with you guys, and that's also huge. The links of these products of the store are in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And that was all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.